Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable Apple Watch buttons during workout. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you don't want the Apple Watch button to press during workout, then this is what you need to do. On Apple Watch series, press the side button beneath the D2 crown to open the control center. Then on the control center, scroll down until you get to the water lock, and then press water lock to turn on water lock. Once water lock is turned on, then this is going to disable your Apple Watch button completely. So if you try to press the D2 crown, you see the screen is locked, and if you press the control center button, you see the screen is locked. However, the only way you can use to exit this page is to press and hold the D2 crown, and then you should see unlocked injecting water. Again, if you use Apple Watch Ultra, all you simply need to do on your Apple Watch Ultra to lock your buttons during workout is go ahead and press the digital crown once, locate and click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, on the settings page, you want to locate action button. So scroll through, locate your action button, click on action button, and then set action button to none. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to disable Apple Watch button during workouts. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.